Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Enable Bluetooth and location so your phone can scan nearby devices. Open Google Play and install Tracker Detect. This app reads Apple's Airtag signals on Android. Once done, grant the app location permission and keep your phone unlocked. Scans can fail if the device sleeps. Move within a few feet of where you think the AirTag might be and avoid metal barriers. This first step lets the phone begin passive scanning. It's the foundation for every following action. Now run a manual scan in Tracker Detect and wait through the full scan cycle. The app lists nearby AirTags and accessories. Once you see an unfamiliar AirTag, tap it to view details and observe signal strength. Stronger means closer proximity. Move slowly around the room while watching the signal indicator. That change tells you direction. If multiple devices appear, isolate by turning off other Bluetooth accessories. This careful scanning and movement lets you triangulate the tag's location. When you pinpoint the tag, use the app's play sound feature to confirm it's the object you found. The tone helps you locate it in hidden spaces. If you must disable it, remove the back and take out the CR2032 battery. This stops tracking immediately. If the app doesn't find anything, restart Tracker Detect, toggle location and Bluetooth, and try rescanning. Make sure your Android is up to date. If problems persist, test with a different phone to rule out device-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.